darkness move fast when we turn off the light. Garvey said, look to Africa when the kings rise again. Now the whole world feel the pressure of the wicked them plan. Pollution in the river, poison in the sky, money over life and them still ask why. Politicians talking big but them never walk straight. Them promise that tomorrow but tomorrow come late. The youth them frustrated, the elders concerned. The fire of the people, yes, it's ready to burn. And stand up, stand strong before it's too late. Mother Nature calling, don't you hesitate. Wake up, the trumpet sound. Marcus Garvey words still shaking the ground. Don't be a sitting duck, my youth, rise up and fight. Cause darkness move fast when we turn off the light. Rise up, don't sit down and wait for fate. Move up, lift your spirit, liberate. Stand up for righteousness and truth. Garvey teach the nation to uplift the youth. Yeah, the world is turning but we losing control. Man chasing vanity and selling his soul. But the earth is a mother, she warned when she heard. The storms and the earthquakes speak louder than words. So come together now, nation to nation. Stop the separation, build a new foundation. Unity the key to a brighter tomorrow. Love erase the violence, the greed and the sorrow. Stand up, stand strong before it's too late. Mother Nature calling, don't you hesitate. Wake up, the trumpet sound. Marcus Garvey words still shaking the ground. Don't be a sitting duck, my youth, rise up and fight. Cause the future shine bright when we walk in the light.
Open your eyes, the world is trembling. Can't you feel the quake? Mother Nature sending warnings, cause too many hearts fade. Ice caps melting, cities sinking, heat rising high. But man still chasing vanity while the planet's high. They cut down the forest, poison the stream, kill off the future for a one-day dream. Corporate greed turning earth into dust, and the leaders we defend are the ones we shouldn't trust. Wake up the nation before the world tear apart. Mother Nature crying, it's a message from the heart. Don't be a sitting duck in Babylon confusion. Garvey say uplift the mind, break the illusion. Stand firm, stand righteous, truth must ignite. Cause evil only win when the good lose sight. Look how the youths them lost in a digital war. Soul searching in a screen, forgetting who we are. Babylon feeding lies through technology veins. Program the mind until freedom feels strange. Rich get richer while the poor can't breathe. Still politicians smiling, hiding tricks up their sleeve. No food on the table but they're building more guns. Priorities twisted, killing daughters and sons. Storms growing stronger, oceans rising fast. Nature giving warnings, we might not outlast the nation. Before the world tear apart. Mother Nature crying, it's a message for all. Oh, don't be a sitting duck in Babylon confusion. Garvey say uplift the mind, break the illusion. Stand firm, stand righteous, truth must ignite. Cause evil only win when the good lose sight. Shut down the system, corruption must fall. Rise up the people, Garvey teach we all, emancipate your mind. Break the mental chain. The revolution of the spirit is stronger than pain. Too much killing, too much hatred, tearing down the land. Man forget the power in the touch of a helping hand. Race is rising, war profiteering, justice blind, and the leaders not hearing. The earth overcrowded, but hearts feel alone. People seeking comfort in a cold telephone. Every country fighting for a slice of gold, but none can buy breath when the clock grows old. Mother Nature tired, she calling for peace. If humanity don't change, her mercy might wake up the nation, before the world tear apart. Mother Nature crying, it's a message from the heart. Don't be a sitting duck in Babylon confusion. God will say uplift the mind, break the illusion. Stand firm, stand righteous, truth must ignite. Cause evil only win when we dim our light up. And awake, don't you wait, rise up the people, before it's too late. One heart, one mind, one destiny. God will teach unity to set we free. Mother Nature calling, answer she plead. Open your eyes, the world is trembling. Can't you feel the quake? Mother Nature sending warnings, cause too many hearts fake. Ice caps melting, cities sinking, heat rising high. But man still chasing vanity while the planet's high. They cut down the forest, poison the stream, kill off the future for one day dream. Corporate greed turning earth into dust, and the leaders we defend are the ones we shouldn't trust. Wake up the nation before the world tear apart. Mother Nature crying, it's a message from the heart. Hey, don't be a sitting duck in Babylon confusion. God will say uplift the mind, break the illusion.
You're jamming with the hottest disc jockey.
Open your eyes, the world is trembling. Can't you feel the quake? Mother Nature sending warnings, cause too many hearts fake. Ice caps melting, cities sinking, heat rising high. But man still chasing vanity while the planet's high. They cut down the forest, poison the stream, kill off the future for one day dream. Corporate greed turning earth into dust, and the leaders we defend are the ones we shouldn't trust. Wake up the nation before the world tear apart. Mother Nature crying, it's a message from the heart. Hey, don't be a sitting duck in Babylon confusion. God will say uplift the mind, break the illusion. Stand firm, stand righteous, truth must ignite. Cause evil only win when the good lose sight. Look how the youth them lost in a digital war, soul searching in a screen, forgetting who we are. Babylon feeding lies through technology veins, program the mind until freedom feels strange. Rich get richer while the poor can't breathe. Still politicians smiling, hiding tricks up their sleeve. No food on the table, but they building more guns. Priorities twisted, killing daughters and sons. Storms growing stronger, oceans rising faster. Nature giving warnings, we might not outlast. Wake up the nation before the world tear apart. Mother Nature crying, it's a message from the heart. Don't be a sitting duck in Babylon confusion. God will say uplift the mind, break the illusion. Stand firm, stand righteous, truth must ignite. Cause evil only win when the good lose sight. Yes. Shine down the system, corruption must fall. Rise up the people, God will teach we all, emancipate your mind. Break revolution of the spirit is stronger than pain, yeah. Too much killing, too much hatred, tearing down the land. Man, forget the power in the touch of a helping hand. Racism rising, war profiteering, justice blind and the leaders not hearing. The earth overcrowded but hearts feel alone. People seeking comfort in a cold telephone. Every country fighting for a slice of gold, but none can buy bread when the clock grows old. Mother Nature tired, she calling for peace. If humanity don't change, her mercy might cease. Whoa. Wake up the nation before the world tear apart. Mother Nature crying, it's a message from the heart. Don't be a sitting duck in Babylon confusion. Garvey say uplift the mind, break the illusion. Stand firm, stand righteous, truth must ignite. Cause evil only win when we dim our light away. Away, don't you wait. Rise up the people before it's too late. One heart, one mind, one destiny. Garvey teach unity to set we free. Mother Nature calling, answer she please. Stand up